Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 EC, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and then we should scroll down to the sound and vibration. Here we can see ringtone volume panel, and just to mute ringtone we should hold and swipe to the left side this white dot. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first in the volume button control we should select ringtone, and now just by press to the down volume button we should also just press down volume button, and by this way we also just mute ringtone volume. Also we can make it by the third way. Just press up or down volume button and slide to the down this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.